In this video, I am about to show you how to learn Arabic and Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or visit the Memrise website on your computer. Next, tap on Get Started or Sign Up if you're a new user. You can sign up using your email address or simply connect through Google or Facebook. Once you're signed up or log in, you'll be asked to select the language you want to learn. Then scroll through the list and tap on Arabic. Now Memrise will ask you about your learning goals, how much time you want to spend learning each day. You can select a time that fits your schedule, whether it's 5 minutes or longer. After setting your goals, Memrise will guide you through some introductory lessons in Arabic. You'll start learning basic words, phrases, and sentences along with pronunciation tips. Memrise uses flashcards, images, and audio to help you remember the vocabulary. As you progress, the lessons will become more advanced, introducing you to grammar rules, conversational phrases, and sentence structure in Arabic. The app also includes listening and speaking exercises to help you improve your skills. If you want to access even more features, like offline learning or advanced lessons, you can subscribe to Memrise Pro. To stay consistent, remember to practice it every day. You can track your progress and adjust your goals anytime in the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.